Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is Provisions to Include in Your Writing Contract, Part 6. Getting paid to write is the whole point of this series. So spell it out. Set your rate. Per hour, per day, per week, per project, per month. Specify the currency. Peso, US dollar, Euro. Include when and how you expect to be paid. PayPal, bank deposit, weekly, monthly. Here's another tip. Require a down payment. Ask for 50% upfront. And never do free sample work. Offer a paid trial instead. If they don't continue, that payment becomes your kill fee. That way, your time is never wasted and you stay in control. In the next video, we'll wrap it up with copyright, NDAs, and non-competes. So stay tuned. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.